Gary. One wow. Cool like coal. 17,000 a year from Bones from the UK.
Bones from the UK, blessed and one love, you know.
If you have a foot, she take a picture and send her what you are doing. Guys, we say that they are some other boy. It's a joke.
Hey, you sure?
Yeah.
I should look one now. Look here, big swim of them wow. Yeah. Look on talk. Hey, talk quick, you know. Pantara. Pantara.
You saw me also?
Yeah, married her.
Why would I marry her, would I take her, would I love her? Love at first sight, baby.
Aye.
Not hakiness, though.
Aye.
Why you make me feel so weak, baby? Every night I go to sleep, I just dream about you before I trust me. I can't tell you. Trust me. I feel I have a round table over a cup of tea to discuss the matter.
Aye.
Me don't know what them a pre about. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean but I like that. Me a step up in a left them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard then want me feel. Want me pop down and lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day them
Alright, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, guys, blessed love. Welcome back. Key and Life in Jamaica. Yes, guys. So today, we got a donor, you know, who donated for us to get some groceries for the Cranberry family, you know. So so that's what we're gonna get done today as well too. You know, we're gonna go downtown to get the groceries because it's much cheaper downtown, so we can get more stuff downtown than buying it into the supermarket, you know. So that's where we're going to head to downtown, you know, by the supermarket to get some groceries. So okay, so we have to give thanks to Jamaica Nana in Orlando, you know, that donated for us to buy some groceries for the Cranberry families, you know. So we know the kids them love them frosted flakes, you know, them cereals, you know, them cornflakes and stuff. So we're gonna also get that for them and get some stuff where them can literally when they go into school they can take snacks with them as well too, you know. So this is what we're gonna get as well too, some snacks, you know, flour and rice and all these things. So we have to give thanks to Jamaica Nana, you know, from Orlando, you know, that are making this possible for today. You know, we have to give thanks to each and every one of our extended family that's making it also possible with this family as well to up by Miami River, you know. Miami River. Tell the whole of them about Miami River. Yeah, so that's where we're also heading downtown first and then we're going to head on. So guys, remember, please, if you reach this far and you haven't put the thumbs up, please put the thumbs up, right? Yeah. We have Esther over there. Esther car so dirty, she have to write, please wash me.
Work up on the road, can't wash.
The car then is dirty like a road them ban.
Work up on the road, see? So it's a cement.
It's not only on the road, but the whole place right now, no rain and fall. There's a lot of dust.
It don't make no sense washing it.
Yeah.
But your car different cleaner?
No, my car not different, but my car But you know my car stay already.
And it just wash.
When it just wash and breeze blow up on it, it look like it never wash.
Furniture?
Yeah.
Furniture?
That's one thing with Jamaica, it's pure dust. You can't wait for them concrete the whole place. In Jamaica you find all the dust. Yeah. So Esther, we give thanks to Jamaican Nana.
Jamaican Nana.
In Orlando for the grocery
Jamaican
today.
Nana. Oh, them
Yeah.
donate the grocery.
Yeah. For the
Thanks
Cranberry
Jamaican
family.
Nana, I really appreciate it. For the girls. For the family overall.
Yeah, for the family.
Yeah.
So you say boom still at school?
Yeah, because when I come ask him ready and him said no, I'm not ready. You ring him?
I'm not gonna try and
He
ring
says
him.
not come to the bus.
Yeah.
Hello.
Pastor, sorry. Alright, I'm gonna try and call Boom and see where Boom is.
What can I leave first? What can I leave?
So Jackie were there here.
Are you left early today?
Yeah, car.
Oh,
I tell Kina send me the pass.
you pick, make me get something? Tangerine. Alright, go on fit me get Boom.
Kina, you do favorite that?
Base? No, I always drink it, man. But I can't get the natural one. Favorite. Alright, Boom is here. Boom is here, so Boom is, well, Boom aka Jacure. Yeah. 30 grand, I that. I that.
Yeah.
Full tot counted.
17.
Everything.
Yeah, man, one team, man, you know, key, you know. Life in Jamaica, you know.
Yeah.
Man, I saw things, man, you know. Yeah, man. So big up on yourself, you know, everybody, you know.
130 grand.
See the brand there.
The Arlo.
Out there. Yeah, man, I saw it set, man.
Arlo.
Post the brand at the place.
Yeah. Alright guys, so also have a donation for Boom, you know, from Bones from the UK. I remember it did mention say he want to help Boone to get out his passport. You know, so this is Boom donation to get his passport sorted out. So Boom have his ID already, you know, so on the farm he's gonna fill it out and then now get his passport off for whenever we're gonna ready to make that trip. You know, so this is about 17,000 here from Bones, you know, from the UK, you know. He held his end of the bargain, you know. So he says 17,000 for Boom for his passport. So Boom. So here we have Boom, aka Rasta Messi, aka Jacure. Behind this prison wall. 17,000 a year from Bones from the UK.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Bones from the UK, blessed and one love, you know. Thanks, yeah? Blessed, one love.
Yeah.
I do the work, man, yeah. I get the
Alright.
passport next week.
Alright then, so see the Bones, so Boom.
For I'm done full up everything already. I stamp them, I get stamp up. So next week, on the road, forget it. Yeah.
Alright
Blessed,
then.
one
Blessed,
love.
Bones, big up yourself. Alright, Bones, big up yourself. You know the thing goes already. So Boom says up and run, he's gonna start that out. I want to big up Oliver and Carla. You know the thing goes already. But you say one more time? One more time. Big up Oliver and Carla. You know? You can't let them out. What you say? You can't let them
Oliver
out.
and Carla, never left you out.
Yeah.
Love you like cook food.
Yes,
Mother
one
and
more time.
father. Oliver and Carla, love you like cook food. Yeah. I experience something I never experienced it. I can't forget that.
Yeah.
I can't forget it. Yeah, blessed and one love.
Yes, cool man, Oliver and Carla. Well, we and Oliver know what we are talking about. I'm say yo, one last time, or one more time, or more time. The movie they say yo, come on, one more time. So me and Oliver know what we are talking about. I'm say one more time. You know what I mean? So guys, so we're gonna hit the road now. Go downtown first and get the grocery, and then head to Miami River. And
I want to know what mine.
Yeah. They can't go the one.
No, I think
Oh. Okay. Change up. So I try to cut them from the traffic then. Alright, so just reached downtown. It's sunny. It's warm, bright. Yeah. See, this is bright, dry, windy, dusty. Everything in our one. You know? Everything in one boy. Yeah? Oh, them care for them, should have mall them, should have, they call them, asphalt them. They go park all the car over there, just wash. Dust up. Yeah. So we're downtown. Yeah, I tried. See me and go underneath the act more. Go and spend it, you know? Oh. Yeah. Go and spend the money for you, you know? So life agree with you, I almost recognize you. Life really agree with you.
Why you won't turn that brother? Don't walk in keep on the good work, man.
Yeah, man, big up yourself, man.
Yo,
yeah, man.
one reminder.
One trench down.
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 That is it.
That is it.
Oh, yeah.
para one more bag. Just take them out of the rest. Put in the rest. You double it? How much things such as that? Eh? I used your thumb boom. Yeah.
So if you touch it, it open. Yeah.
Yeah, it broke
No.
away.
And AB. Go set it away in that corner. No, take it off of this. If it not tie, I'm gonna drop out. Put it in our car now, so. Over the Monday we can go. Hey, so we're free to go.
Kina, yes, the merchant there.
Yes, sir.
Right, just say the Kina.
Yeah.
Yeah, dear people, I say, boy, they see big one Kina thing and thing. Yo, I want Kina life.
Yeah.
Watch a Kina them here, huh? to the market, baby, everything is $1,000. Anything for you, sir. Kina, watch out, everything. Ladies are right here, sir. Silver Slipper Plaza, Crossroad, right there, side there. Yo, a oneness. Kina,
right,
you know the thing going on my family.
Yeah.
Trust me. You know, so you have to come get some other content right there, sir. Show the ladies them where I'm going.
And they must see it right now. They must see it right
man,
now.
They must see it, man. They have all them hot Nike suit there. Them pyjama suit there. Can't wear for the girl them. They have them tights there. They have the $500 blouse them for the lady them. They have the $1,000 jogger suit them. Lady are right there, so. Yo, I want maroon man. Them know. The whole world know. I don't have to say nothing more. Kina,
You know the thing already.
Yeah, man, that's how we do it thing, man. The people they love when the connection and when they link me up. Them say that joy. Them say me make them laugh and them say that. Yeah, and one thing, one maroon can't change. Yo, Esther, you see you Esther, man, watch your thing, you know. When Esther now be myself, you know. Esther, you're full of etiquette and quality. Nah, liar, Esther. Nice. Baby, I keep a life in Jamaica, man, so you don't have to run from the camera. Cheer top.
Where's the Esther Fuller?
Full of etiquette, baby. They tell you, say, you see you, Esther, you're nice. I say, you're sweet. Esther, every time I look where you see that space key and that space pose, Esther, me I wonder for England you're born. Look like you're born in England, Esther. Like he's not a Jamaican, you know that. Trust me. So I go, give me that link, you know, man.
Me will come check you again in a week in a day here.
But sometimes I'm not there, Kina. Sometimes, you know, me there downtown, uptown, all about me rock, popping, all about.
Oh, okay.
That's how the thing go, man. You see, but man, we go up on the river, brother.
Just I tell him a while ago, so we are good there, man.
River, brother. Yo, one maroon in the rasta. So last year, brother. Beer there, they must say, no maroon and them thing there. One maroon man in a rasta. You know, you can't change, brother, man. I saw the thing go.
Can't change, man. Go close the chain.
So we got the river center, man. We go swim and beer thing on the countryside, man. Me I tell Kino, say, I'm a place me I came. You see what me I say? A little district. Them place, them sometimes we have to out of town, you know. Got the countryside, them go bathe in a river and bun ganja, eat some food and feel good again.
You see, get the pot and the food and the plate.
That's good, me say the pot.
Content we are create.
A content we are create. The pot, the food and the plate. A content we are create. Them can't wait, man. A one maroon man, me say, we can't wait. Yo, Kino.
It's a go happen, man.
It's a go happen, yo. I just splice the thing and splice. Because, you know, I want the people them, I want to have a full day with my people them.
Alright.
Yeah,
so get the real vibe.
Yeah, get on the real vibe. Because I don't know fake vibe this for people. And the real vibe, the real maroon man. The real juggler maroon entertainer. Yo, I saw we take it to them. I want Kina life in Jamaica. Subscribe to Kina life in Jamaica.
You ever eat oats dumpling yet?
No, I never eat the oats dumpling.
Alright, so we're going to cook some of that on the river.
That's cool, man. Kina,
just sleep up
on a day and a week. And we just go out there, you see where you are going. If we even go out there and then we set it and come back next time, brother. You see what I say, my family?
Alright, so definitely this week I will come.
This week, but tell me we have to create even Wednesday, like them day when we not juggle Wednesday half.
So Wednesday better for you then?
Wednesday better.
Alright, so we are set it for Wednesday then. Yeah?
Because
Wednesday.
A camper down road me live in a 2-week camper down road. Right side of Camperdown School. Next door to Camperdown School. 2-week Camperdown Road. That's all.
Alright, so Wednesday then we're going to link up and we're going to
short before that. You know me have your number, but you know I'm going to call people unless it's necessary. You know that, Kina. You're one Kina life. D-Wanga. You know I left you to anywhere there because you see D-Wanga rate a girl to the ground. I choose she don't know she light me over the world. D-Wanga. Blessed, me love you, D-Wanga. Yo, one Kina life in Jamaica.
Alright, so boom, where you say Wednesday?
Yeah, man.
Alright, so him say Wednesday then.
Wednesday, man.
So we're gonna link Rasta Jackson and the Home Chef.
We're gonna rotate St. Thomas.
Alright. So Wednesday then.
Brother.
So where you say, we must bring the pot, the food and the plate?
Yeah, man, at the school, okay.
Alright. So I'll cook some pork dumpling.
Nice place where I go. Where we can set to thing, we have views, we have. Don't worry yourself, man.
Alright then, so Wednesday then we're going there.
Yeah, Wednesday, my family.
Wednesday for sure.
Yeah,
alright. Big up. Yeah.
All of my people, them are maroon, you know.
Yeah.
I want to know, say, the business this. You saw me, I say, it start from weird and scratch. So anybody can do nothing for the business, you have to help me to. To strengthen it, more than give thanks to. That you know the thing, we want the thing strengthened to. Yo, Kino.
Alright, yeah man, cool man. Alright. Yeah man, love. Alright, so boom, we're gonna go there Wednesday. So we're gonna organize.
Esther, you see how we love it there.
Hey, where you say he love it, Esther?
I love her.
Yeah.
I not lie. I see her heart how it clean.
Yeah.
I see how she pure.
Yeah.
I see the goodness in her heart. You see what I say?
Yeah, married her.
Well, more than married her, more than take her, more than love her. Baby. Love at first sight, baby.
Aye.
Not taking us stuff.
Aye.
Why you make me feel so weak, baby? Every night I go to sleep, I just dream about you before I trust me. Yes, I can't tell you. Trust me. I feel like have a round table over a cup of tea, go discuss the matter there. Round table talk. Yo, you don't like it, Jamaica. I want to. You do it. Can't change.
Alright, man. Yeah. Right, Esther, love at first sight. Love at first sight. Man say me that married you, everything with you, Esther, everything. Wow. Big up Maroon, man. Guys, you know, so definitely we're gonna go there this week coming. Yeah. Guys, it's not far. St. Thomas is not far, so we're gonna make that trip. So, Boom says I'm ready. You see me? We're gonna let Rasta Jackson and Wow Chef know where I go and I will just go down there. You know, Esther, you going?
No, we can't go.
Oh, Esther have to be working.
No, my mother dialysis day.
Okay, so that's our mom dialysis day. So, alright guys. So we're gonna definitely head there for sure next week. We out there. St. Thomas we're going on the river. All our vibes. Oh damn. Road work. Or one way. Okay, if we go run so goddamn. Road work here and all Hope Road. New Hope Road. Don't tell me sir, up half a tree you're not gonna send me. Can't be. No, a diver from this up. Pick up on the road.
Yeah, man.
Wow chef.
Yeah, man, there, man, you see it.
Yeah, we just pick up the wow chef on the way. That one you do. You know that? Everything that though? Alright guys, so yes, so we're here now and finally reach up Miami River. One thing though, Jamaica full of traffic. Jamaica full of traffic.
More car than road.
Yeah, more car than road. So you know we can't wait to see the not even the overhead road. The flying plane, the flying cars. We're definitely gonna need the flying cars right now because trust me. East Indian.
Yeah, man, say East Indian, just a blossom.
We're gonna give it some time.
Yeah, man.
I will be coming for mine.
Man, say the pool, big man, say the pool.
I will eat that on time.
Man, say the pool and fix it and drain.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't know if the water's supposed to get cold, you know.
First generator, the black up. Water get cool. Yeah, tonight.
Oh shit, my short. Get off him shoes. Nobody in the area, we are alone. A full river today. No one's here. You don't have on shoes, you can't walk in the water, man. Yeah. Eh? Can walk in the sun? Yeah, right in the sun. Yeah? Yeah. Nah, bite him man, wow.
Black one a puppy. Black one a puppy.
Yeah.
One single puppy?
All man.
Yeah, long time you have a banana just born.
When you see them on bus, so them so stop out. When you just after one.
Wow.
You're 6 or 8.
Yeah.
Toko, how you doing? Nana? Okay? Uncle,
Yeah, brother.
you put in some work?
Yeah, I know, because today me the people run go down to today, you know. I make the appointment. I place you have to make appointment, you know.
Oh,
When me never myself, when she come here and pull out,
I have to pull out?
yeah, because I come like I put something in her, you know. So they say here and pull out and wash one day before. So she put on the Monday shell. People know the thing they wash it for dope before.
Yeah.
And she not feel nothing sweet. No sweet, eh? Nothing at all.
Oh,
Nothing sweet.
what, day before?
Yeah, the day before, the
No-
Sunday.
no sweet,
and
no
4
juice.
hours sleep she's supposed to get.
Hmm.
So she will go to bed 12 o'clock and wake up about 5 o'clock until she ready to go. So she's supposed to get 4 hours sleep the Sunday before the Monday. So the people and also show you the whole of them little settings there where. Yeah.
Okay. Watch mouth.
Time, yeah.
Watch mouth. Cran. What me now? Why you look so miserable? Wow. What is it? What is it there? What is it? Hello, miss. Hello, miss. Let me see where you are right.
So you're not swim today?
I go swim, man.
I can't come.
I go drown. You can help me? Yeah?
But then me I got do a test. You want me to show me what I'm do?
Yeah. I got the test.
So the people worship come on Monday.
Bring come see.
She not for eat nothing sweet Sunday and Monday she go do it.
Oh, these are the EEG instruction.
Yeah.
So here must be washed with shampoo and condition the day before and dry. No eyes, no cream, yeah, sprays or anything. Be removed, twist, plait, cornrows, everything have to come out. Yeah.
She said if you're not happy, no, you church up. I remember that. See that you
Yeah. Is it homework this?
Yes, I have one more something clock. Let me show you the next clock.
Okay. So, when the appointment set for?
Monday.
Oh, this Monday?
Yeah.
Okay.
See here?
Okay. So you write the time.
Yes.
Let them tell you.
Next week, we are going to get the test.
10 minutes past 8. 10 minutes past 8. This is wrong. This is wrong. Yes.
You see the short hand and the hour
Yes.
and
And
the
the long
hand
hand is the minutes.
So you put the short hand for each.
Some for about this
Yeah,
one.
it's a for about
Always remember
because
say the
come here,
long
let me
arm.
show you. Because remember it's 1 hour, right?
Yes, Dad.
So 1 hour is 60 minutes.
Yeah.
So this 60 minute is counted as 5. It says 5, 10, so 5 plus, right? So this is 5. 2 will be 10.
10.
Yes. Okay. So 5 will
5.
be 1, right?
Yeah.
2 will be 10. 3 will be 15. Right? So you have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So that's 1 hour. Right? So the short hand should be going the 8. Right? This is where the short hand should be going because it's 8. And then for the 10 minutes now, you use the long hand for the minutes, which is 2 will be 10, so 5, 10. So this one is wrong. 5 minutes past 3 is wrong. They're all wrong. 20 minutes past 7. It's all wrong. These are all wrong.
That one?
Yeah, 5 minutes past 1. They're all wrong.
And then 60 minutes.
Okay.
You know 60 minutes? 60 seconds, 1
Excuse me, before you shot me.
minute. Shot them.
I'm gonna bring some groceries for you now. Come here, mommy. Okay. Yeah. Stay far from it, Toko. Yeah. Here. All this back. So here I brought some groceries for you, Mrs. You know, 2 bags of groceries. And like popcorn as well, right?
Popcorn sweet.
So you can't eat a day before when you're ready to go. So make sure. No, them say she can't eat certain things to go back at the appointment.
Oh, my sister love to eat them.
So this is coming from Jamaica Nana living in Orlando. So we thank Jamaica Nana.
Jamaica Nana, thank you so much. And may God bless you and make your food basket never run dry.
Jamaica Nana, thank you so much.
Jamaica Nana. Toko, come here, come thank Jamaica Nana.
Jamaica Nana, thank you.
Okay, Cranberry said thank Jamaica Nana.
Thank you, Jamaica Nana. And your basket never empty.
Okay, so that's Jamaica Nana living in Orlando. You know? Yeah, USA. So you have a lot of stuff in there.
A sardine.
Everything in krill, sachets.
No, mommy. We can bring something like
And you have flour, rice, sugar, everything in there. Where you can go cook. But Lasco and Kami, yeah.
Yesterday I look for some punch for my sister then. And my mother said it's nice.
It's nice?
Yeah.
We said mommy the porridge tastes nice yesterday.
And she said she have her phone, through the phone is dead. If she have her phone, she take a picture and send it when they are doing it. It's nice. We said that if they want some other boy, she have a joke.
Hey, you sure?
Yeah.
That nice?
Yeah.
Wow. So next time when you go make porridge, just call me, I'm gonna come for some, right?
Yes, Daddy.
I'm gonna come for some. So Esther, the US.
Yeah, right. No.
So me have what the little lady name?
Keisha Life in America.
Oh, so come here. We have $100 here.
Keisha Life.
Right. So this is like $20 each for the girls and you. So everyone get $20 each. So this is $100 here.
Keisha, mommy.
So you remember the name? Yeah, Keisha Life.
In America, thank you so much and make your food basket never run dry.
Yeah, so it's Keisha Life in America. That's her YouTube channel. You know,
Keisha
Life in America.
Your basket never empty.
Yes. So it's
Keisha Life in Jamaica.
no, Keisha Life in America.
Thank you so much.
Give me this phone here. Give me this phone here. Come and say Keisha Life in America. Thank you.
Keep my life dying. Thank you.
Alright, so go.
No get the phone.
Put the pan charge. Alright, so we give thanks to Keisha Life in America. You know, that's your YouTube channel. No fighting Toko. Keisha Life in America, thank you so much for the donation, you know, for the family, you know, for the girls, them $20 each. And I also want to thank Jamaica Nana, also, you know, in Orlando, Florida. Thank you for the grocery, you know, for the family as well, you know, as you can see. So yes, so the window's gone in, all right, on this side. I will just want to stock.
No, I threw the door.
Yeah, this one. Okay.
Through the door, you the back of them. And we wash them. See that? I threw the window for over 3 years.
Okay. So these, so you have 3 more blades to go in.
Yes, Dad.
3 more blades to go in. And the roofing is all finished. You know. As you can see, the roofing is all finished. Toko, when I come, take up the things them off the ground. Sacks them off the ground.
Come here.
Hello, what's she active today? How's she active, so?
Take up that girl.
Normally she like
Yeah. We'll put them somewhere. Yeah. Talk, Nana, go get the next one.
Get them in a phone there.
Last course so you can boil a porridge. Oh, there's some remains in there as well. So you have to unpack them so you can see what's inside.
Milk too.
Yeah. A lot of stuff in there.
Wow. 2 pairs. And 2 pairs and a polo.
Hey, get the soap for me. See the soap there, pass the soap.
Thank you. What?
That's daily soap.
Mommy, look here. See there. 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna put it on my nose. This. This yata.
No, that's flour. There's more than one of them inside.
I want kami. This is like a 2 pound kami.
More than 2 pounds.
What? That's a 4 pound. What's the money? What's that? So much flour. So we're not buying a sugar.
Oh, by the way, for them the snacks for them can have.
Yeah.
Wait name again.
Put up on the start.
No, these one. Them are the pack one, right? This one we have tag. The combo pack.
Yeah.
The different one inside. You want to make it already? So check the next bag as well. Check what's in the next bag.
Excuse me. Hey. One. Then I come out and make the bag.
Then stick on.
Can't come out. What?
Hey, Toko, you see you, hey, Toko, you can grab it and go.
Mommy, look here.
So now I'm bringing the snacks them to school.
Mom, look here. It's on.
Come on. Yeah, you put it. Sarah.
Look here,
So you drink cornflakes as well?
Yeah, she do this.
we just drink up one
And she just see them. She just buy one.
No, so you get the big box. Big and small box. So you have the red. You see this one, you can use the last or the tin milk. And this one,
and
remember?
this one you want,
only last
I
one.
will never get it back.
Or that one?
Yes.
She end up go buy one.
I will never get.
But she never get that. She get the plastic plate one.
Oh.
Wow. I will that is the know that the name ko pula eh pinaka joke kasi.
So we tell you the man for no one.
Can't do
Na?
Yeah.
Mukha ask mo pa for buy snacks so put them start to sell.
Yeah, that different. Yeah, just like that.
Now I put them on the pan this then I put eat. One.
So yeah, well, really have thank Jamaican Nana in Orlando.
Mommy,
Jamaican Nana.
Look up soup. Oh yes.
Ramen.
Oh, you know that.
The ramen show on. Show on the ramen.
More than
Toko, they get some? Toko, can I have some? Toko kind. Thank you.
Toko kind.
Yeah. Look. Toko kind, man. I asked her one day on the bed. She named Rudy. She not get Tara. She not. Oh, she give boom a lie. Oh, she give Esther. Can I have one too, Tara? Okay.
Remember the chicken?
Yeah. Thank you. Tara, give away.
But you get two of the same.
So, Papi, I did say use and cut down the hill.
Yeah, broke a bone, me a bone it out, but I take out the stick.
Well, I can say they can work, still me not lie. Oh, you dig up some more since recently?
No, you know, I just cut off the last clean it up, I dig him and I do no more digging it.
Okay.
I think something to cover up with it, I don't want.
Okay, much you can go back. Cause the water go run.
Yeah, come on, go tight and put that jump.
Yeah, cause you know so the water go.
Chop, yeah, chop.
I gotta chop off this, so you have to just get it off. Yeah, man. And you have more space here.
Yeah.
See, I'm gonna
put him off from some more. I remember him go put on the kitchen here, so remember me go yes, so go right in like how you see what this going to do.
Yeah. So you gonna put up a little retaining wall then?
Yeah, round on the back. The same box and cast like how.
Yeah. Box and cast.
Yeah. Box and cast.
Yeah, and to just hold it up.
Do that, they're gonna do that. Water and sink it and tear off and chip it down right down, you know.
Yeah. So you have to put it up for hold it.
For hold body back right.
Come on, the work never stop.
Yeah, that's the thing, man.
Never stop, you know? Never. So the same dirt you're gonna use for dump up yourself?
Yeah, the sea, come on, build up yourself, come back right up to the level.
Okay. Yeah, I'm telling you, so the opportunity, like you say, you know what?
Yeah, you know the greatness I have, brother. Only for greatness I do.
Every time we call them the extended family, you know, the donors there, we call them extended family, so you can always
give thanks to the extended family, man. Only partner and respect, man. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Only partner and respect, man.
Nothing but love alone, you know? And we like what go on, so the roofing done now.
Yeah. I just think some more nail like your sister, you didn't part in a nail long.
Yeah.
Nearly done, but don't nail it up just.
Okay. Thing come on nicely and quick and fast as well, you know? Every day, guys, as you can look, as you can see, you know? Yeah, man. Cause you gotta flash out this as well. Yeah. I'm saying you have other people who contact me as well too, cause me already tell them say, you say you want to do it at the bathroom, and somebody will contact me as well too, where them say they want to send something as well for you to like fix back the fall cover, you can put some fall in there and raise as well. Yes. Yeah, man. Now we have what's his name, Stone, you know, Stone as well to link me up with Junior Lifestyle. So I'm gonna make some things happen as well, just some material and stuff to help out, you know, because you want to give the assistant, you know, so I think a Stone in name, so big up Junior Lifestyle, you know. They contact me already and then say they're gonna make some things happen.
I want to big up Junior Lifestyle, man.
Yeah, and Stone.
Yeah, and Stone.
Yeah.
Big up to the maximum, man. Only for honor, man.
Yeah. Alright, I will give thanks, man, you know. The progress is well seen and it's well shown, you know. So around here, so guys, where I'm gonna put the kitchen, right? The bathroom.
Yeah, around for the bathroom.
So around here, so where I'm gonna put the bathroom. Yes, guys, so around here is where the bathroom is gonna be, you know. But this spot right here.
Oh, that's what we think to a bathroom and make a box and cast it right, you know, about halfway to a bathroom.
Yeah.
So I just see a place here somewhere, I might just come out with The box and cast and this will come up. You like come with a just like a little wall, see what the box and cast like.
So yes, you have to go.
Start it right here.
Because this is going to run off if you know.
Right here, so. Come back with it.
Yeah.
So it's going to on the same piece of front foundation that front, maybe it just come more because to a bathroom, you're not going to use much of the boat on the lower part.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, man. Right, Rowan. So, you know the space. Yeah. How are all of this? Or
no, sir, we want the tree store and the tree there.
Oh, it a use?
Yeah, you got right around there, you got straight to river, and the tree stump you can back right to river.
Okay.
Yes, I'm going to put a stone mouth. Because the whole of you say chop out, seem like you see you say chop out, so you say chop out, you know. Just dump up, burn rubbish night and dump it up. That's how you see my child with that one there.
Yeah.
The plastic there, you burn the plastic them.
Yeah.
Like dry.
Yeah.
Like it set it away.
Oh.
The water can't
so are the trees stop the kind of wall up this?
Yeah, the trees stop. See, they go straight back a river. Man.
Yeah, see trees stop there? Go all the way down, so down at the river it go.
Straight back a river.
Tree roots. That's a certain tree you can't get rid of them.
See there? I hate that, you know.
Oh, that big tree there?
Yeah, cotton tree.
Alright, cutting the tree. So the cutting tree, what up this Esther, look. Hey. I don't even know.
A long time for the master. This is slave, they hide sitting on the hide, the gold and slide the cotton tree.
That's up there.
The bamboo? That's a bamboo.
A bamboo tree.
Them get big.
No, you know, so I just plant that this, I could just throw this, I could just plant it, this one little piece of bamboo, I just grow up.
Oh.
Yeah, easy to catch, you know, you chop it and you put it on the ground, it starts catching, you know.
The bamboo though?
Yeah, the bamboo is easy to catch, once it's green and you put it anyway, catch.
It catch quick. Ja.
But then you get a chance to pull on the bed.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
But Tara, take the window feet door.
Yeah, window shot jump.
Tara jump.
All of them places are going to lock off.
You think a Toko a ninja?
That's a Tara ninja.
All of them.
Once Tara,
Someone seal it, so seal it and out. Yeah.
Yeah.
We don't have a seal it.
That's the bay one? Oh, it's my pictures.
My white jump, the white.
You just back off away? And then there yourself?
I want to go back, it's not bad. Just bark him back at bad, you know. And down the river there. The ocean there. Oh, go down there. Toko!
So can I come swim? Are you swim already?
Get there. The different one is right now, Toko. No, sir. Toko go hard. Yeah. If you don't keep an eye, everything finish, you know. You just see I have a pack of water, I got something else and that done. Yeah. Yes, guys, as you can see, the work, you know, it never stops. You know, we always appreciate our extended family, you know, for helping and, you know, reaching out, giving a huge thanks. We thank you so much, you know. It's really a blessings. Trust me. It's really a blessings, and we thank you so much. You know, our family is happy and everything. You know, so I walk down the river.
Toko, you come
I
swim?
walk chef and boom down there and swim.
You go swim, Toko?
Toko swim already, you know. A bit, listen, we need to get her now and swim in school, you know. Yeah.
I think a stadium you have to bring her around.
Oh, a stadium.
Yeah, they said
That's where Moyet used to go?
no man, she go Queens. I just said she do fair one. Queens High School, but
Oh.
because she's so small. I'm not gonna see them do them trial thing.
Oh. We have to go check it out and see if we could bring her. You want to do swimming? It's okay? You want to go swimming class? Yeah? You want to swim for Jamaica? Eh?
Yeah, about that people say that, but people come over and say that.
Yeah, shows. You never know,
When
you
they
know.
need for the stores, them kids they will live near water and use them.
And use them.
Yeah, people just come up and learn to swim and
Yeah.
them can't swim and you can start with them baby.
But we go source it. I see if we can go bring her down
We
there.
have to go to National Stadium though.
We have to online we have to register it. Register.
Sure. We have a number one time, you know. We have been some kids here from school.
Yeah.
And from Cairo and everything mash up, but I try to get back the number.
Yeah. We go source it
Even
and say and yeah.
The man, when my go, me have film number too.
Okay.
So I can link him.
Yeah.
Ask him if he can do that.
Can't make them talent there, you know. Just can't come make big. Catch water, cranberry.
I told you I learn.
Alright, go and put it down. Go down there.
I go from soup when I look.
Oh, yeah, make soup.
Cup soup, I look.
Cup soup easy. Mine taco. Cup soup easy for make. I walk down the river, I come. Eh?
You cross all the river by yourself.
Eh? Shall next swim as well. You coming to swim?
She said she'll come swim. If not, she'll not.
Yeah, come swim? Okay, then come then. So she'll come swim. Look how she walk down with him. She get low. Look at that.
Older man. Check.
So she walk down. She get low, so she not unbalanced.
Try it, man. Try it.
I'm telling you have to try it. So you won't lose balance.
I can try it.
Yeah, watch now, watch. Look, you see? She's skilled.
Can go by herself.
Look, yeah. Look, she just get low and go down. Look. Skill. Just get low and go down, Esther. She have stoop low. No, sir.
May I try it?
She have to go teach her. She have to go teach her. Oh, she have them down there swim.
Did that come soon?
Wow, you see me? You chuck off already? Yeah. Go on again no man. Whoa, you know?
Gary.
One wow. Cool like coal.
Come out to feel warm, you know?
Yeah.
Want a cold, man.
Alright, boom, you change your mind. Boom, change your mind, it's like too cold. Nah, no Jaeger, man. Esther, she gonna swim? Hey, big swimmer. Go on now, Tara, go on. Leave her talk out, leave her make she do her thing. I should look one now. Look here, big swim of them wow. Yeah. Look one talk. Hey, talk a quick, you know. Pantara. Look Pantara. Yes, sir. Get it. Yes, sir. Big swimmers. Tara, do our thing, man. Yes, Tara. Come, you're not start from there. Our race go up there. Let me see who's gonna win. Hey, talk her quick, you know, she's nippy. Come, on the mark. My Tara. Wait, fix her clothes. Her shorts loose. Yeah. On your mark. Come, Toko, you're not. On your mark. So ready. On your mark. Get set. Go. Tara, big swimmer, man. Look, look. Yes, sir. See the way you're Tara, that's a dip and a dive and... Good.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Hey, Nana move like a mermaid too, you know. Nana is like a mermaid. Look, yeah. Nana is like a mermaid. That's three times. Yes, sir.
5 times.
Took a backstroke. Go, chef. It's what I do. Look now. Took a backstroke. Yeah, look. And Nana too. Yes, sir. Achei. Yeah, she don't wear out talk and backstroke. She not come up all under the water to stay and swim safe, man. So. Yeah, talk about cold, them use the water. Boom said that too cold for him. Right, so you see why I'm taking to the family, you know. No matter them situation, they're literally them happy. Just a joy for me sitting here watching them literally like, you know, having fun. Just imagine that, like them literally have fun just swimming in the river only. And I'm watching that, and I know you're having the same joy watching them as well. So like the situation that they're going through is like it don't faze them, you know. Like they're literally enjoying life itself, you know. Life, like come on. So we always have to appreciate, you know, trust me, because we really appreciate life. You know? 1, 2, 3. These are the future Olympic stars, you know? Yeah. On the mark, get set, go! Coco, you cheat. You have to go up there and come back. Coco. Yeah, she cheat. 1, 2, 3. Nana, you cheat now. Yes, guys, so thank you so much, you know, for watching this program, and thank you for supporting the family. You know, it's a blessing, so really thank you, you know. So if you reach this far, you're still watching and you haven't put the thumbs up, please remember to put the thumbs up. Come, talk go that way. Go that way. Come. Yeah, man, thumbs up.
Watch out now, you see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kerry Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.